Cuz, what's up? How much did you sell?
10.
This guy will send me to hospital. Hey. No. Don't beat him. Don't beat him. Oh, easy.
It actually started pretty normally. The plan was simple. Head to Aarong, one of the Bangladesh most well-known brands, and see what makes it so special. I wanted to explore a little bit of Bangladesh rich cultural heritage and see its traditional craftsmanship for myself. But there was a problem. Things didn't go as planned.
0001%. Yeah, student. Gazipur. Yeah. Literature.
Aarong.
Okay, let's go. Thank you, bye. Thank you. Okay. Say to everyone, welcome to Bangladesh. Say welcome to Bangladesh to people. Huh?
No problem. Bangladesh good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, Bangladesh, very good. Okay, bye. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Hello. Good. Hello. Big boss, how are you? Good? Oh, guys. Look at this, guys. Guys, this is the coffee section. I'm not really interested. I don't like coffee.
And then I realized I wasn't actually allowed to film inside. So just like that, my plan for Aarong was over. But I didn't know that something completely unexpected was waiting for me outside.
Hello, bye. Thanks. Yeah, how are you? Good? You enjoying? You selling?
Khana.
Hey, bye. Even me, Tana.
No.
Can I try?
100.
No, test.
Test. Very test. Good.
Good. Yeah, test. Try. If good, buy. Can I do that? Try. Huh? Yeah. Right. I don't really have any idea. Let me try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chef professional. Tomar naam ki?
আমার নাম ফারুক আছে উমর ফারুক
Who?
উমর ফারুক
Umar Farooq.
Our name
Okay.
Makas.
Okay, Makas. What's up? How much did you sell?
10.
No. How much did you already get?
Huh?
How much? Where is your money? Bring it out. Put everything by.
এভরিথিং ইন জাস্ট
Yeah.
ঠিক আছে
Let me try and see if you are really a good. Let me see. What are you mixing by?
নাও মিসিং
What is this? Salt. Okay. Oil.
Hotel ke go oil.
Feel like this guy will send me to hospital. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God.
Come on, cut video.
Bye. Bye. What's the name of this? Huh?
20 টাকা
আগে বেশি
কয় টাকা
120
Yeah. No.
বেশি
How to say 10? 10 taka.
10 টাকা
Yeah, 10.
10 টাকা মানে কি
30 টাকা
80 টাকা
Don't beat him. Don't beat him. Don't beat. No.
Cannot so hard.
No. Leave him. Guys, he's complaining because he said beach taka. So like I have an idea of how much the price is. Okay, bye. So what's the name of this? Huh?
Kan.
Let me try. Record.
দাম দত আর দেখা যাইতাছে না
Guys,
আমার দামি করি
আর জম না ধরম
দোকান ধার
আর ওই মুখটা রমিয়া
guys, I feel like give him, bye. Give him. Guys,
দেখা
I don't have any idea of what is this about. I feel like this guy gonna send me to hospital. Let's try. What's the name of this bike?
This is called Jalmuri.
Jalmuri
And Chanachur.
Exactly.
Chanachur. This is called. Where are you from?
From Niger.
Nigeria.
Niger, not Nigeria.
You visit here from? You visit here from tour or?
Yeah, it's not like.
এমনি ধরেন চেহারা ধরেন মিয়া এই যে এমনি ধরেন এরা দেখান মিয়া What's your name, bro?
My name is Reïma.
You are Muslim?
I'm
Yes,
Muslim.
I am also Muslim. My name is Sabri.
তোমার নাম কি?
আমার নাম Sabri.
Okay, আমার নাম Reïma. আমার নাম Reïma. You wanna try?
No. What's your YouTube channel?
Okay, bye. Good. So now there is one. Can you record?
Tokai.
Out. This is too much. I can't finish this. It is actually, guys, very spicy. You put like lemon. Yeah, balo. Good. Yeah, good. Good, guys. Good. Very good. Okay, photo.
100.
No way.
Mama,
No way.
ভালো তো।
How to say
100 and 100.
Fair 100. 20 টাকা।
How to say
আরে ওনা 20 টাকা মানে জিতে দেন
20. Okay.
আমি দিতেছি একটা।
Hey, bye. This is 10 taka.
আরে যেমন মানে
ধর না। এরকম করতেছে। এটা বাইরে।
So I should try using 20, right? Okay, bye. 10 taka. 10 taka.
10 টাকা
10 taka.
অনলাইন
20 টাকা 20 টাকা 20
Dosh.
আর বেশি দেবি ফালতু বেশি
You, my family.
টাকা লাগবে না আমার টাকা
You are my family, so minus 10 taka.
এটা কুদা
What is Bajepura?
বাবু কান্দে টাকা লাগবে না হোটেল
Easy on me.
তাহলে তো তর্ক হয়ে গেল
Easy, guy. I don't understand.
ভালো বাংলা বুঝতে
Huh? What?
বুঝতেছ তো ওয়ান হাউস
No. I will give him. Tell him 10 taka.
10 টাকা
10
10 টাকা বুঝছেন নি
Yeah.
50 টাকা বাংলা
My good. 10 taka.
Your face name?
Okay. Bye. Dosh. Dosh, bye. Amar your family. You, me, same family.
করলে তো টাকা বেশি দেয়
What is he saying? You, me, same family. Wait.
টাকা নাই
Taka na, you see? Taka na. Okay, so give
এই অবস্থায় কয় টাকা হইলে
200 taka. Next time, I bring 500.
এরো মানে ব্যবসা করে যদি ধরেন এই অবস্থায়
Next time I bring 500. Give. Next time I meet you.
পরে আইয়া দিব দেন
Let me give you back. I'm joking.
পরে পরীক্ষা করে ওকে
Let me give you back. Your money is 20.
লস হয়ে গেল
Why it is 20?
লস হবে তো
What is bullshit?
লস হবে
No, bye. No. You, me, same family. Same family, huh? Huh? Ami, আমি তুমি সব ফ্যামিলি আমি look he's enjoying good bye it's okay for now I can't finish this samosa nai bhai amar তুমি okay good okay next time okay bye he's a professional very professional next time okay bye okay yeah right I think really that things is I don't know it's kind of spicy, very spicy. I think in Bangladesh like everything is spicy really. They have the spicy version of everything like they put chili in everything. I don't have like that's complicated.